How to enable likes notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable likes notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram Lite, and here you will find this one. You will find your profile in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and now click privacy, and not privacy, click notifications, and here you will find posts, stories and comments. Click on it, and here you will find it from people I follow. Just enable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.